The Coral Gables Crime Victims Unit organized an annual luncheon to kick off the National Crime Victims' Rights Week and recognize law enforcement and community members that stand out for the assistance they provide to victims of crime.
We tend to think that crime happens to other people, and what we're trying to accomplish here is for people to know that it can happen anytime, anywhere, and to anybody.
The lunch was held at the Coral Gables Country Club, where Margarita Osorio received a special recognition. Osorio's only daughter, Ana Maria Angel, was murdered in 2002 when she was out on a date with her boyfriend. This is one of the most horrifying crimes Miami has seen. Ana Maria's boyfriend, Nelson Portobanco, who survived the crime, also received an award.
What we call the Stamp of Courage it's awarded to someone that has survived and has gone through the whole process of the criminal justice system after the big loss.
The state attorney, Catherine Fernandez Rondold, also got a recognition for her efforts in the area of human trafficking.
I'm very grateful because if it brings any higher emphasis or focus on the topic, it's delightful. It's an honor for him, but truthfully, it goes to the people that are working this every day.
The state attorney says human trafficking in Florida is more common than we may think.
Right now, all the indication, all the studies, all the reports from the federal government and the Department of Justice is that Florida ranks somewhere either second or third in the number of cases involving human trafficking.
Fernandez Rondo says these cases are very complex due to the twisted thinking the victim develops, often leading them to fall in love with the abuser. Her office works closely with several government agencies such as the FBI and Homeland Security to lower cases of human trafficking in Florida and help victims.
These older men know that they're vulnerable. All they want is attention. And so it starts with something romantic and then it escalates into a horrific situation. So we've been very aggressive in that area. We've met with all the stakeholders, the federal government. We work with ICE, Homeland Security, with the FBI. We have a task force. We now have lawyers that are just dedicated to look at these, to work out in the community.
Crime Victims' Rights Week is celebrated nationwide in order to provide victims of crime with information about their rights and assistance they can obtain. This event was possible with the support and contribution of members and businesses in our Coral Gables community, such as Ocean Bank, Claire Frances Whitehurst, Mercedes-Benz of Coral Gables, Polar Trading, and attorneys Mitchell and West. For What's Happening Coral Gables, Veronica Fernandez.